Ibig sabihin po niyan, on time pa rin po tayo at dahil po yung kanilang ipinahayag na ifa-file po nila, hintayin pa rin natin yan kung talaga matutupad po. But they have until June 30 to do so ng lunchtime.
30, hindi 28 kasi 28 is natapat ulit ng weekend.
Tama po. Tama po.
Oo. Pero attorney, ito nga yung pinag-uusapan namin ni Chiki kasi 'di ba nasa step 6 na tayo. Syempre nalito-lito na kami sa steps. So ibig bang sabihin nito, pagka natuloy yung pagsasubmit ng Congress, so uusad na tayo? Sorry ilan nga ba yung steps, attorney? Please educate us.
Ano ba yung mga steps na yun, attorney, para we're on the same page?
11 steps po yan, no? So, nasa step 6 na po tayo, which is awaiting the reply of the House prosecutors within 5 days from the receipt of the answer. So, katulad ng sinabi nyo nga kanina, hanggang June 28 yung pag-a-await ng reply. But since it is a Saturday, then the next business day will be a Monday. So, June 30 po. So, after po na step 6, of course, step 7 na tayo, based po dun sa Senate rules po natin. However, we cannot convene the impeachment court as of yet because of the fact that we are still awaiting for the second compliance by the House of Representatives, and it will only be submitted upon the reconvening of the 20th Congress, which is on scheduled to be on July 28th. So it is only after that that we expect the compliance on the second order po ng impeachment court, and at the same time po yung bagong assignment po o authority po ng mga bagong prosecutors na papasok sa 20th Congress, hinihintay rin po natin yan. Na mangyayari lamang yan po siguro after the convening of the 20th Congress on July 28th.
Ayun. So definitely eto yung sinasabi po ninyo, attorney, na kumbaga paghahayag ng Kongreso ng prosecutors na willing kaming itawid yung same impeachment complaint doon sa 20th Congress.
Tama po. Ito na po yung communication from the 20th Congress na ipagpapatuloy po nila at tinatanggap po nila yung pagpasa ng baton ng 19th Congress to the 20th Congress.